I feel like I need to do a previously on Planning with Chloe. But previously on Planning with Chloe, I shared how I am super excited for the brand new Filofax Camden collection of organisers. And I did place an order and it has just arrived. So we're going to do an unboxing, which is kind of something I don't normally do because I don't buy a lot of stuff, but we are going to do an unboxing of this brand new planner and I'm going to share my initial first impressions. So let's get to it. Right, 3 things before we get into this, because it is super bright. So number 1, apologies. It is what it is. This is the time of year where I live, and I'm just going to appreciate that we've actually got sunshine, you guys. So that's number 1. Number 2, this is the first time I've ordered a planner cover from Filofax. I've always either ordered from Amazon if I'm ordering something new, or eBay if I'm ordering something pre-loved, but I've never ordered direct from Filofax other than little accessory bits and pieces like dividers and what have you. And the third thing is I'm not going to do a review of this product right now. I am literally just going to do my first impressions because I feel like there's going to be a lot of me pausing and humming and hawing, and I don't think that's fair on you guys. And I want to actually gather my thoughts and make sure I give it a fair review after spending a little bit of time with it. So this is initially what you are getting when you place an order. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Oh, okay, we've got a cardboard box. I know this is meant to be eco-friendly and everything, but it would have been nice to have had a hard box. That's just my first thoughts on that. I guess this is because it's one of their, I don't want to say budget because I appreciate that £56 isn't a budget price. That is still a lot of money. If you were really looking for a budget planner, then you would pick up something for, you know, £10–20 from, dare I say, AliExpress? Yes, I did. I said it. Sorry. But I don't know. I have received my clipbook, my Filofax Terrazzo in a similar type of packaging. It didn't come in a hard box, so I guess they saved those for the real leather planners. But as this is meant to be like an eco-friendly one, I don't know, I kind of expected it to come in a proper hard box like you would normally get for the leather planners. Anyway, I'm waffling. Let's move on. So that is my first impression of that. So we've got the little paper cover. Oh, okay. So whoever guessed green, you were right. Ding, 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 ding. Sorry, I haven't got any prizes to give out, but you can just bask in the glory of being right. It's really lovely. Obviously, it's not going to smell of leather, but I just wanted to check whether it had like a plasticky smell. And sorry if you're getting like a lot of feedback because it's my mic is literally under my nose, but yeah, there is a little bit of a smell to it, but it's not like a harsh chemically plastic sort of smell. Okay, what are we thinking? I like the size of this. It is very similar to my Filofax Terrazzo, which I don't have to hand, and this is the cover that is going to replace my Terrazzo, which I'm currently using for my work planner. But I love this chunky strap. It's really nice. And the pen loop. Okay, because from the pictures I couldn't see this very clearly, and apologies again for the sunlight streaming through, but we're not going to be sorry because the sun is shining. We're going to be happy about that. But yes, I wasn't sure what this pen loop excuse me, was going to be like because I hadn't seen a lot of pictures online of it, and I was thinking, oh, it's probably just going to be elasticated like what I have in my Terrazzo, but no, it is leather. But I'm wondering how many pens are actually going to sit in that. Anyway, this isn't meant to be a full review. This is meant to be first impressions. And first impressions feels really soft in my hand. I don't know if you could tell that this is a faux leather. It feels very soft and it doesn't feel or look super plasticky. I'll have to compare it to, bear with, let's do a quick comparison with my Moterm in the dusty pink. So this is a real leather. Okay. Okay. I mean, it's very good. I think looking at these close up, I think for the price, what you'd pay for one of these, okay, yes, you have got, what have I got in here? You have got a fly leaf and a zipper pocket and a few more pockets to boot in the back pocket. So I feel like the price is probably justified and it's real leather. But if you were looking for an affordable option that still gave you this sort of vibes, I feel like this could be a good alternative. Inside we have got some inserts. We've got contacts, lined, plain, dotted or dot grid, and then we've got this pull out year at a glance, a cardboard, a cardboard, the ruler is cardboard, okay, interesting. Sustainable plans, all right. And then we've got a cardboard pocket thing. Let's see. Oh, okay, so it's literally just, oh, that's different. It's like when your aunt is looking at something you're wearing and she goes, oh, okay, that's different. And you're like, thanks, Auntie. Thank you, that means you hate it. Anyway, let's look at these removable rings real quickly. As I said, I didn't want this to be a full review. This is literally first impressions on opening the package. So let's see, how does this function? What is it like? Can I get it out? Okay, yes. Okay, so it's on a piece of cardboard. That's the one thing that concerned me. Is it on a piece of cardboard or is it on a piece of rigid plastic? Okay, it's cardboard. My concern would be the longevity of this when I've got this bad boy filled up to the brim. Okay, but it sits in quite nicely. Okay, that's different. And then additionally, we've got a week on 2 pages, diary refill included separately with the order in the box. So yes, that is a little bit of glue residue there. 6 card slots. Let's just slide this off. Oh, I might have to fast forward some of this, I don't know. Yeah, the colour of the nylon inside, it's got the similar sort of nylon that you see in the interior of the Moterm actually, but it is colour coordinated. So although you might see it there, it is a green nylon on the inside of the slip pockets to make it slippy. So that's nice. And I should point out, in case, because it's so dazzlingly bright, that the rings are actually a dark grey. So on the spec, on the description, it does say charcoal rings, and I thought that just meant, oh, the bit of whatever this was going to turn out to be, in this case it's cardboard, was a charcoal colour. But no, the rings are actually a dark charcoal grey colour, which is quite smart actually. I quite like that. And I don't think that was very clear or obvious to me when I was looking at the pictures. So I'm going to leave it there. Because as I said, and this is what I wanted to avoid when I said I was just going to record a quick video of my initial like unboxing, initial reaction. This is what I meant, because I knew I'd be like looking at things and pausing and what have you. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time touching this and having a really good look at it, and we'll collate my scattered senses into something that is sense making or sounds sensible. And yeah, I will record another video. But yeah, comment below, guys. What are your initial thoughts? What do you think of the cardboard on the removable rings? What do you think of the colour of these removable rings? I'm here for this, actually. I've never seen rings this colour, so I'm like, everyone's normally got the gold. Everyone aspires to have the gold rings. I can tell you right now, I'm not here for the cardboard page flag. I get it, it goes with the vibe that we're creating here, but this I will probably remove. I don't know. Anyway, we're not going to waffle. We're going to move it along, and I'm going to leave it there, and I shall catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now, planner friends. Bye, bye, bye.